Hi there. So we're outside of the building here at our warehouse with our bay doors where we handle all of our deliveries and pickups. So what you can see here is we don't have any kind of sign on the building showing that we're Furnace. So we've had a lot of trouble in the past of drivers and people coming here for interviews and meetings and stuff like that. They can't find the place. So recently what we just did, we got 4 signs made with 4 sign holders to go in all 4 of our bay doors to eliminate all those problems. Now people trying to come here can be on time for a meeting or an interview. Now drivers can show right up and see this and back right in. We've had a lot of trouble in the past where a lot of drivers that are even going somewhere else don't know where to go and they come here. That adds on a lot of time and waste of my day of trying to help these guys out, trying to help other people out that are trying to find a different spot in this building. So this is going to save me a lot of time and a lot of trouble.